Hey everyone, this is Mike from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we create some of the most innovative and easy-to-use Excel tools out there. Today, I'm going to show you a game-changing tool that solves a common problem: finding the central location between multiple addresses. Whether you're organizing a meeting, setting up a new office, or just trying to find the most convenient spot for a group, this tool makes it super easy. Let's dive in. So, here's how it works. This tool combines the power of Google Maps and Excel. Using the Google Maps API and some smart coding we developed, it calculates the exact central point for any set of addresses worldwide. Getting started is simple. First, download the tool using the link in the description. Once you have it, just paste your list of addresses into the spreadsheet. It doesn't matter if you have a few or even hundreds. The tool can handle it all. Next, you'll set up a Google Maps API key. Don't worry, it's easy. I've included step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Once that's done, just hit the Calculate button and let the tool do its magic. In seconds, the tool calculates the central location and gives you two key results: the exact latitude and longitude coordinates and the full address of the central point. This makes it super easy to pinpoint the perfect meeting spot or share the details with others. In this example, I used 30 addresses around London. The tool instantly found the central point, and you can click on View on Google Maps to get a visual representation of the central location and all the other locations on the map. Now, we can easily see where everything's located and how it all connects. One of the best things about this tool is its flexibility. It works with addresses from anywhere in the world, and since it's built in Excel, there's no additional software to install. We've been helping people like you for over 16 years, and over 7,500 customers use our tools daily to simplify their workflows. We've also got over 130 five-star Google reviews from happy customers who love how easy and reliable our tools are. These reviews prove that our tool is a real time saver and makes location decisions so much easier. If you're ready to try it out, click the link in the description to download the tool. And if you have any questions or need help, just reach out. Here's our phone number, and here's our email. You can also reach out via live chat on our website. No answering machines, no bots, just real help when you need it. You'll be speaking directly with Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need it. And of course, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to stay updated on more useful tools. See you next time.